number one, very important. When he changes height, he hits you, turn around, boom. You do your blueprint. Knee, snap elbow, slap. But make sure when you slap him, you push him all the way down to your hips. Even lower. The lower the better. Then you give your knee, he grabs the front knee. He's not allowed to get two hands on your leg. Because when I do this, and I go this arm is mine, right? It's either like this, or it's like that. Never just like this. This is good if you want it, control, but then you need it like this, not like that. Because then he can go around, and now he can use it to block. You see? So when you have it, if it's this here, make sure your arm grab it. If you don't like it, then go underneath. So you grab it like this. But this is your arm. So when you turn there and you do this, see, it's only one hand you have to work with. Check it out. See, when I pull this out, I can hyperextend the arm this way. See, you're just breaking it like that. So when I pull this off, boom, that could be one, and then I continue with my blueprint. So you're doing a hyperextension arm just like that. So let's work the next one. He gets the knee. When I pull back, he's still holding it. Shit, right? And then I'm gonna fall. So when you pull back like this, pull your heel up to your ass, then drop down like this. Right? So notice, you're doing that. Du får ikke lov til at trække den væk. Then you're gonna fall. So before you fall, just go down. So go here, pull, pull, shoot, and drop straight down. Okay? So come closer. Over here. So as I go down, his hand shoots here underneath his neck. Okay? Can everyone see over here? Come over here. Over here. So I drop down, boom. And this goes right underneath his chin. Right here, see? There, yeah. You go there, you grab, disengage this one here, and then just do a that's your combo. So, here, slowly. Knee, boom, pull, drop. As you drop, put it in here. Sink this down, right? I'm gonna do it so you don't have to do the whole sequence because we'll lose some time. So let's say I go here. It's important that this leg is the same side that you do the chokes. Let's say this, I'm not, whatever. He pushes me forward, and take the choke. Just pull up. So you go back. So the thing is, I know it looks like it's missionary. You do is this. Here, maintain your hold. Don't readjust. Just keep it tight. He does all the work. He pushes you, you fall back down. Close your legs, and then all you do is stretch your legs, and then you pull up. When you pull up, you're using your legs to make the triangle even tighter. But there's one thing that's important. Important is this, that this one has to be tight from the very beginning. If it's not on right, it's fucked up. So you have to keep it tight. So this doesn't change. He pushes, you can pound drive him to the ground. That could be the first one. Boom! And then apply your choke. Get it? Yeah. So when he goes for it, you would just go feet, bam, then power drive him, then apply the choke. But important that you don't let go. For your partner, you can make it a little bit loose because it's very tight. Alright? But he does all the work. So the guy is getting choked, he stalls forward, fall back, so power drive, boom, here. Control your leg, close your legs, extend, and pull up. Okay? You should never see this back of his head. Never, because if it's like that, that means he's pulling up. It has to be tight, so it's in here all the time. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. So we'll start from the guillotine. Okay. I start from here now. Boom. There. It falls down like this. All right. So now I'm doing this. I can't get this, and he's not pushing forward, so I'm just stuck. Right. I'm gonna re-grab his tricep here. This hand is gonna go under and grab here. See? So it goes from the choke, see, here, yep. Grabs there. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to load my hips. I'm gonna push my hips down, and I'm gonna go like that. As I do that, boom, the hips rise up, and I continue down to the ground. See, it's here. So I'm being nice, but I continue to fall. See this? So on the top, because I can see all the way down.
Sorry.
No, it's okay, it's okay. When I did jiu-jitsu, I had to pay 300 kroner per hour And I did that for 3 years. The first 3 months was like, I don't know what you did. Can you show it again? So here, you can't get the choke. You grab his tricep here. Your hand from here goes underneath. Grabs the jacket, t-shirt, just grabs the ribs. You go down, then you use this. As you do that, his head up straight. And you see, I just maintain my grip here. Now look what I land. I don't land like this. I turn like this. Okay? If you're doing jiu-jitsu, you can go to side control. But I don't want that. So as I throw him down here, look, I'm going to lift up my legs. Like you're on a sofa. See that? I'm going to take this hand out, and I'm going to go underneath his head. Okay? Then what I do is I control this here. Alright, do you want to see the proper control, where you're making his life fucked up, or you want to just go to the first technique? Okay. So what you do is this, I call this aggressive breastfeeding. Okay? What you do is you grab his tricep, and you grab his shoulder here, and what do you want is you want to lift his head. As you lift his head, you put your weight on his stomach. So now all your weight is on his diaphragm. So every time he, like that, air goes out. So what you're doing is just doing this. And notice, see my ass here? I go on his chest and I lift him up. That's just to make him relax. Stop here, okay? Just relax. So every time he goes, you just do this, and then you wait for the air to come out. He talks some crap, fuck you, whatever. Just go back again. Right? So that's the first one, that's your first control. First technique, grab here, punch him. And you say, relax. That's your first one. Okay, I'll give you the second one. This gets old. What do you think he's going to do when I punch? Right? He's going to block. So the first one is punch until he relaxes. 2, he blocks. When he blocks, you go around, straighten his arm, lock it up like this. So again, he blocks, around, extend his wrist. See my knee is past his elbow? I go there, and I hook it. Right now, I'm going to break his arm. Notice when I break his arm, see how his shoulder goes up? Compress his shoulder. That breaks the arm. Second variation, number 2. Some people, they have big muscles, so they grab here, and then they don't want you to do it. So all you do is you pull your heel to your ass, like this, now it's straight, and there's your second variation. So version 1 is just this. Number 1, boom. 2, he blocks, boom, you grab it, extend, hook the arm. Make sure if your leg is like this, make sure it goes above the elbow. Compress his shoulder, so the shoulder doesn't pop up, and just pancake the arm down. There. If he grabs your thigh, some people, they panic. Pull your heel to your ass, and it straightens the arm, and you break it again. Okay? I will come and help you, don't worry. It only gets worse. So, Mark, we'll start from the scissor base, okay? So you start here so you can do it faster. There. So let's just start from here. This is 1. That's 2. That's also 2. It's the same one. So this is 1. This is 2. Let's say he gets through, and now he starts to push you. Like that, right? No. Hang on. Not this one. He gets out, and then his arm falls here. So the first one was 1, 2, and then now he escapes. His arm goes here. So when he goes here, you take your free hand, you pin it, feed it to your bottom hand. When you grab it, don't grab it right here. Grab it this much. Don't grab it right at the ligament. Right there. You see that? Come closer, because it's going to be super hard. So he gets out. Pin it to the ground and feed it to your bottom hand. When you grab it, don't grab it between here. Grab it a little bit down there so the wrist is free. Take your free hand, go underneath, grab your own wrist. You see this one? I'm going to pull his elbow up. So it's 90 degrees. See this? Move back a little bit, guys. Then I'm going to get up on my toes, like I'm going to do a push-up. So I'm going to push my ass up, but my feet are going to push down. I'm going to get up like this, and then I'm going to drop my chest on his elbow. Then I break his wrist. There. So So what I'm doing is I'm doing this, and then I put my chest here. There, and then I slowly put down, and that breaks his wrist off. So 1, 2, block. 3, he pulls out, feed it. There, you get it? Go underneath. We call this a figure 4 in Jiu-Jitsu. Figure 4. Now you slowly, because some people's shoulders are tight, to do it slowly. But you need to push it up, see? To 90 degrees. See that? 90 degrees. So you're using your arm here, this arm, to get up. And then you drop your chest right on the elbow. Don't drop, because it will break this way. Okay, I can see some black belts are smiling now. Alright, go. 5 times. Alright, so now. So let's say you have him here. And now this is not an option. It's not working. You can't get the wrist lock. So you take this hand and turn this side. Now actually let me show you another one that's way worse. So this goes, I get this here and I can't get it and he pushes my face like this. I'm going to pop right above his elbow like that, and then I'm going to slide my ear down here like this. So when this goes out, make sure that before you do anything, make sure that this arm is already nice and tight so you can aggressive breastfeed this guy. Right? So he pushes you here, you pop this past your face, and then you slide your ear down his arm here. So you go ear to ear, down like this. Then you pull this tighter, and then you squeeze. That's usually enough to choke out his, because you're doing what you're doing in the blood choke. This is already there, and then you're using his own shoulder to choke him out, like this. If this doesn't work, you sprawl down flat, and you squeeze, and that chokes him out. So this is the lazy version. You hear? Make sure it's tight, go all the way down, and then just squeeze in. If that doesn't work, flat out your stomach, and then that should be enough to choke him out.
What if you not open his chin? Tight.
You don't need to, because you already have the aggressive breastfeed, so he's already tight there from the beginning. But if that's loose, then everything will work. So that's why when you land, you get it tight. You can punch it, so you have control of his head. He's not allowed to do this. Do you understand? So from the beginning, when you get the neck, make sure he is stuck there. Okay? So just start from here where he pushes your face. So now he lands down. Here. Hit him like this. This is tight. Now he's pushing it here. Boom. Now, I'm not going to do this one. I'm doing this, but it's not working. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to maintain the check here, and then I'm going to put my weight on him, and then I'm going to roll him up like this. See? It's slippery here, but when there's asphalt, it's easier. So it's here. You push it past him like this, right? Then you go on his body, and then you use your feet to take him on the side. See? When you get him on the side, see my bottom leg? My bottom leg blocks his back. Now he can't roll. This way. He can't roll into me because now my leg is blocked. This hand, that's here. Grab his wrist on the before again. It's easier. There? Grab this. I'm going to kick my leg in a straight line like this. When my leg is not forward, I'm going to drop my knee down. So I'm swinging my leg. I would like to swing my leg again, but I know I'm not going to swing my leg. I'm going to swing it as far as I can. But I cannot anymore. I'm just going to put my knee down. Okay? The next one you have to remember is you want his asshole. You want your asshole to touch his teeth. It's very important. It's a good reference point. From here, now I swing. There. Asshole here. Okay? Sorry, Mark. So now you have it here. So number one, you want to pull up, then you're going to do the chicken wing. Make your shoulder. If you don't want that, you go for a goose neck lock. Sprain the wrist. Third one, you do both. So one, boom, break shoulder. Kimura, boom. Or your chicken wing, depends on what's cool. You have your wrist lock, that's here. If you want to be master, you do the wrist lock and the shoulder lock. Let's say you can't get this too. How do you this way? Grab this way. Straight arm lock. Like I said the other days, my job here is not to tell you what to do. My job here is to show you other things that you normally don't get to see. And I'm not training you as if I'm training people at my school who are working self-defense. Is for you to actually get skills, like actually things you can do, but just to open your eyes up to other opportunities. Because sometimes when you do Wing Chun, you do Jiu-Jitsu, you do JKD, you do whatever, you get stuck in this little bubble, and then you think Taekwondo is the only way you fight. And I had the same thing when I got my black belt in Taekwondo. I was like, I know everything. Started Jeet Kune Do. I was like, fuck man, there's so much I don't know. So the blueprint is just one little position where a lot of arts went in. And we didn't get to do the judo. I didn't get to show you the three other positions you have. But it's just to give you a little taste of what it is. Okay?